Hey guys, from Tarago. I'm at Tarago train station. As you can see. So I'm here probably to see the Canberra Explorer bound for Canberra, Kingston. Power through. Unless it is going to stop here. Probably won't. No one's on the platform except for me. So that way is towards Canberra. And that's the level crossing. And that way is towards Sydney and Goulburn. And I will cut to when the train is inside. Sorry guys, the train that was bound for Canberra, and I was at Tarago for, was delayed and it had communication issues, so it's probably still at Goulburn, to be honest, but we had to leave soon, so we moved down. Well, I need to do an outro, so I had to find a station to go to, and we're at Marulan on the Southern Highlands / Southern Region line. That is towards Mossvale, Barrel. That's towards Goulburn. But I will have to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment where I should film next.